I actually feel more prepared now than I ever have in farming. The Fresh Roots program, that's just such a good deal for us young beginning farmers. My name is Jeff Carls and I'm from Arnsville. Came back to the farm in 2015. I farm with my dad and uncles, and we farm corn, beans, and a little bit of rye. I chose Farm Credit to do the Fresh Roots program. I know how to farm, but when it comes to the business side of it, that's just one thing that's not really taught. With the Fresh Roots program, it's just a nice stepping stone, learning the basics of the business of your operation.
The Fresh Roots program is a program for young or beginning farmers, so farmers within their first 10 years of farming or who are under the age of 40. And the benefits that it offers include discounted interest rates on land or operating loans, as well as incentives for attending Fresh Roots workshops up to $2,000 in cash, and then just a plethora of resources when it comes to experts in the field of agriculture.
When I first started farming, Fresh Roots really prepared me for what was going to come. The Fresh Roots and Farm Credit system has really helped me navigate the highs and the lows of this market and just the volatility.
Through our Fresh Roots workshops, you are exposed to a variety of topics that can affect your operation later on in the future, whether that is succession planning, estate planning, grain marketing, or just the global market.
I get to go to a meeting and I come home with money. And so that's a pretty cool incentive. Nobody does that. Going to these Farm Credit meetings, I've really had the access to some of the big presenters. I think it's very worthwhile. And so I look forward to the schedule when it comes out and the speakers. Main challenges, I think, for a beginning and young farmer is just so many decisions and little decisions and big decisions to make. I have a good resource with my loan officer, Jessica. Whenever I have a question, I text her, call her, and she walks me through.
Farm Credit Illinois is more than a bank because aside from being a cooperative, we have background information about land and interest rates and can help them and answer those questions that they do have. And if we can't get you the answer, we will work with someone who can. This isn't just something that we close a loan and then you never hear from us except for when a payment's due. We want to work with you for the rest of your farming career.
Fresh Roots has helped me with less stress and anxiety and to concentrate on farming and to be successful.